Hey, how's it going? We're doing words in context. Now, when we look at this passage, we see, although the euphoric effects of nicotine are relatively mild, it is still a blank drug in its ability to make its users dependent. Now, because of the word although, and in the first clause, we see that the effects of nicotine are relatively mild. So because although shows contrast or indicates contrast, the word in the blank should mean something the opposite of mild. So probably means something close to strong or powerful. But when we look at the rest of the context, we see that drug in its ability to make its users dependent. In fact, a staggering 25% of first-time cigarette smokers become regular smokers. So even though it's trying to indicate that nicotine is powerful, it's not trying to indicate that the drug is toxic or deadly in this sense. So we're looking for a particular word that means strong, powerful, but not in a toxic sense. So that means we're probably looking for this word, potent, which means powerfully effective. Now, these other words like toxic doesn't work because toxic is something that's poisonous. Potential, I mean, it's not a potential drug, it is a drug. So it doesn't have the ability to become a drug. It is a drug. So we can eliminate potential and toxic here. And harmless doesn't work because, again, it's supposed to mean something that's the opposite of mild. And harmless is kind of like a good thing. Mild shows like a lesser degree of something. So it should mean something that indicates that something about the nicotine is powerful still in a negative way, even though it's not particularly toxic in this context, because in this passage it's only trying to indicate that the nicotine is very powerful in its ability to make its users addicts. It's effective in its ability to be addictive. So harmless does not work here. That's why we should choose delta.